Now we're gonna take the causeway. You got the A1A going north and south, which is a nice route. If we take it here at the end of this causeway, all the way down, we could go all the way down to Hope Sound, which is a nice ride. Ride this causeway. At the end of this, we could go to the bottom part, which I'll show you. I've been there. I'm not sure if I've ever got it on video and put it up. There's also an aquarium here. This section here I've shown you guys before. That's where the jet ski rental is. Been there a couple times. Let me show you down here at the bottom of the causeway. This is actually pretty cool. You get people here at night fishing also, but you'll get them now during the day because obviously it's cooler out. So you'll see the jet skis, boats, and stuff like that out here. If you ride this into the sand too much, you will definitely get stuck on the Ryker. You can get your jet ski out on the water, hang out. Let me see if I can get to the other side. Oh, they closed that pier for some reason. It's closed. I've been able to walk that at night. Bring my dog out here sometimes just to play around. Actually, you know what? I can show you the water part of the beach. You got the Fort Pierce Police. This is actually really nice. Even at night, you can come out here and hang out. I feel safe. I bring my dog. Actually, we just added a second dog. I'll try to see if I can get it on film. I think I showed my dog once. I'm gonna show him. And I got another one from the same mom and dad. All right, guys, get off. About two-wheelers not saying, you know, hello or nodding or something, I don't give a fuck about anyone else. Whether it's a three-wheeler, two-wheeler, not saying hello to me, I could care less. I ride for me. If you want to say what's up, strike up a conversation, great. If you don't feel like talking to me, I'm okay with that too. I'm out here enjoying myself, and that's all I come out here for. It's for me. Alright, let's ride this down all the way down to the jetty part. It's beautiful out today. Got people out hanging out. This is the best time to come vacation. You know, if you're anywhere that is really cold, take a week's vacation. Come out here. I don't know, trailer your Ryker, your bike, anything. Just come out here. You don't have to hit up Miami if you don't want to. I'm about 2 hours away from Miami, but if you come anywhere along this Treasure Coast and you're out here, you're on your bike, and you hit me up with time, and you're like, hey, let's take a ride down to Miami, let's go. I mean, we could ride this Treasure Coast. There's so much to do out here in itself. It's not as crowded as Miami. We could go down to Fort Lauderdale. There's so much to do there also. People's like, oh, Miami's the spot. It is. I've been there several times since I've been here. There's nothing that, you know, I can say like, oh, I gotta go there. I've been there. You know, I still go just because I like to take the ride down. And it's definitely a different atmosphere, so I enjoy that. But I don't have to make it all the way to Miami to have a good time. I can do it right here on the Treasure Coast. I've actually rode up all the way to Melbourne to hang out. There's another like causeway type thing, and you always find something interesting. You got, you know, car clubs out there, bike clubs, and there's a bunch of stuff just to do out here in the Treasure Coast in itself. If you happen to be out here and you're somewhere near Port St. Lucie and you want to ride, hit me up. I'm down. The next couple weeks is going to be interesting for me just because I got some time off, so I want to try to get some riding in. I even want to come hang out and throw myself in the water. I don't really like go swimming because I don't know how to swim, so really don't care about being in the water. I just like being by the water, so you'll get me out here all the time at the jetty. take a look to see what's going on the beach itself. Look at that. While you guys are at home, as the day gets dark at 4:30, there's people out here hanging out on the beach. Can't beat that. It's crazy because a lot of people think like, oh, in the summertime you ride out here. It's actually completely opposite. This is riding season for us out here now. Now I could exit the same way I came in and take like Indian River Road, or I can take this, which is the A1A that I said. You could ride this all the way to about like, I think Hope Sound, Stewart or something. It's a good ride. I have access to a lot of the beaches, but the view out here is beautiful. You hit a section where it's kind of like dead and you can kind of open it up a little bit, and then you go back to, you know, that you start having buildings and stuff like that. But for the most part, you have beach access on most of this road to enter. There's actually like a nude beach part also that you could access. There's a dog beach out here. So whatever floats your boat. If you want to be naked, you can find it out here. If you want to bring your dog out, you can find it out here. Let's park right here. Let's see what we got going on. Oh my God, I'm out of breath. I've gotten so fat since October. All I've been doing, it's eating, and eating. I have not stopped. I got into holiday mode, and all of a sudden we got, especially because of Halloween, the trick-or-treat candy. Oh my God, I've gone crazy. Then we had Thanksgiving, and I haven't stopped eating pies, food, vacation mode even more because I got some time off. So I don't know what's gonna happen. You know, there comes the New Year's resolution. I'm gonna join the gym and blah blah blah, and hopefully by springtime I can start losing some weight again. You know, the vicious cycle. Gave me beach access, but no one's here. I mean, there's one person there and there's one guy there, but otherwise I have the beach all to myself. What the beach? All right, let's go. All right, that was interesting. I just pulled over to change the battery on the GoPro, and a guy in a Harley slowed down, beeped, and gave me a thumbs up, asking me like, hey, are you okay? Gave him a thumbs up back, letting him know that I'm cool, you know, I don't need any help. But that was pretty cool, man. That's what I'm saying. Like, everybody talks shit and saying like, oh, the two-wheeler did that. Bro, I rode two wheels. I don't care. If I see somebody stranded on the side of the road, especially a biker, I'm gonna stop and help or ask. But do the same thing, give them a thumbs up. If they need like gas or some shit, I'll go get it. I don't care. It's that mindset, you know. This is another section I guess you could access the beach from. So it only seems like there's one car here. So all this beach access to myself, I love it. No horses, pedestrian access only. Let's go down this way. Let's go see what's down this way. It says, well, spectator something. Vitolo Park, Middle Cove Park, Riverside, and all this is off of the A1A towards Fort Pierce. I mean, you could spend days exploring all the beach entrances out here for sure. What's going on here? It's actually closed. There is no entrance. There's a porta potty. They might be fixing something here. Not sure what's going on over there. Huh, interesting. I'll go get myself hurt now. It's just closed. I don't see no signs warning about anything. I wonder if there's any alligators in here. That's one thing I haven't seen since I moved to Florida. It's a gator. I've seen the iguanas. I've seen a bobcat. But I want to see an alligator. Let's go see what's in here. There's no signs that says no trespassing, so I don't consider myself trespassing. Look at that view. Fast cat facts. Mammals of Hutchinson Island. Bobcats can run up to 30 miles per hour. Leap nearly 10 feet, but generally prefer to walk. Okay. Just mentioned that I seen a bobcat in my neighborhood a couple months back, but there's been a lot of construction where I live, so alright, so I'm not sure what's going on here. I was just saying how fat I've gotten, so I don't know if I should play around by being in here and then I get chased out or eaten by a bobcat. I don't know. I'm not gonna take that risk and walk down there. If it was open, I ride it down, because I think I could outrun a bobcat on my Ryker. But St. Lucie Scooter Scoot, not sure what that is. Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here before I get eaten by a bobcat. Some days open, I will ride in and check it out, but it's not gonna be today for sure.